Hey guys, this is Samsung LCD TV. This is model 2008, so it's very old. But the problem of this TV is, as you can see, there is an indicator, meaning there is a power. But if you turn it on, the indicator just blinked, but it doesn't turn on. So if you will bring this to the service center, most probably they will change the power supply or sometimes the main board, and it costs a lot of money. But I have a simple fix for this. I have done this for many years already for this Samsung TV. So I will show you how to fix this, and I will explain later what's happening here and what is the cause of this problem. This TV is mounted on a bracket, so it's easy to pull it out. And usually there is a cover here for the stand. This one don't have a cover anymore. Now I'll show you how to fix it. All you need is hair dryer. You need the hot air to reheat the power supply or the main board of this TV. You don't need to open the TV. You just have to heat to the main board and power supply. So this is it. On. Not turning on. And well, nothing. So I don't know if you can see that. You have to put it here and turn on. So it's around 20 seconds. Do not apply too much heat or else you will burn your TV set. Just enough to reheat the board. Then let's try. Is it magic? Right? Now I will explain what's happening here. I'll just mute this first. Turn it off. So what's happening here is if your TV set is not turned on for a week or more, the tendency is there is a capacitor that is discharging the capacity or the capacitance. But the problem is actually the capacitor. So the capacitor is maybe already leaky. So if you don't turn on the TV for a long time, it discharges. If you want to know the function of capacitor, you can just search how capacitor works and you will understand what's happening here. So what we're doing is we just reheat. Actually, we just need to reheat the capacitor, but there will be a lot of time to do that because we have to open the TV set, remove the board, and look for that capacitor and reheat. But because of this trick, you just have to reheat the whole board and then that capacitor will be reheated also. My explanation here is that the capacitor is maybe freezing, or whatever technical term will you use for that. And then if you apply heat, the capacitor will reactivate. So that is just a simple trick. Whether you understand the electronics function or not, just remember, you just need to reheat in order for you to fix it. And if you're not using your TV set, make sure to turn it on at least every week or less than a week, so that it will not cause further damage. So I hope you learned something from this. Please leave your comments if you have some questions about TV sets, electronics, gadgets, or whatever. I'll try to answer if I can. And also, if you have any tricks about electronics equipment or gadgets, please share it also in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next video.